My Signature Facial tones, tightens, lifts, gives you a glow. If you're someone struggling with acne, I can help you with that. It has amazing benefits. Whatever my client needs, I can target that issue.
Hey everyone, it's Sara Tan. I am the beauty director at Refinery29, and today I am getting a facial with celebrity esthetician Shani Darden. Will it be worth the money, the time, and the pain? Let's find out. I want to get this facial today because my skin has been feeling very dry lately, and I feel like not as glowy as I would like it to look. And I also had a baby 9 months ago, ending my nursing journey. So, you know, the hormones are all over the place. I feel like I'm having little breakouts here and there. So I feel like I just need to reset my skin, and what better way than getting a facial. So as a beauty editor, it's my job to do research, especially, you know, interviewing and trying different facials, interviewing different facialists, dermatologists, and everyone always talks about how much they love Shani. She is a celebrity esthetician. She is an icon in the facial world. Every one of her clients, whether they are a celebrity or not, come out with just like the most beautiful, glowy skin. I feel very confident that I'm in good hands. I'm hoping to get back into a good skin maintenance routine. I'm in my mid-30s, so, you know, starting to see a little bit more fine lines here and there. Again, with the dryness, living in LA. So just figuring out a routine that works for me and just having, again, really nice, healthy, glowy skin.
Hi, I'm Shani Darden. I'm an esthetician and the founder of Shani Darden Skincare. So I have been obsessed with skincare since I was really young. I used to mix masks for my friends, but I didn't know what an esthetician was at that time. I ended up moving to Los Angeles in my 20s, then finally decided that I wanted to work in a spa. So I worked as a receptionist in quite a few spas because it's so competitive here that I knew if I worked as a receptionist, then if I went to school to be an esthetician, there was a shot of me eventually getting a job there. And then I was fortunate enough when I got out of school to work for a dermatologist. And so that's kind of where it all started for me. My first celebrity client was Jessica Alba, and she's so amazing and so loyal, and I had been seeing her for a while, and she put me in Allure magazine, and after that it kind of just all sort of started to happen for me. My signature facial is kind of just whatever I want to do. Everything is customized to my client's skin type. I always want to buy a new machine or have a new product. I'm always looking for the next best thing. I eventually will have too many machines and not enough time. So today, Sara is going to be getting every machine possible. We're gonna do it all. She's gonna get the best facial ever. This is my cleansing serum, which is super gentle. When's the last time you had a facial?
I was trying to remember. It's definitely been over 6 weeks at least. I feel like I have a little bit of breakout on my forehead.
You do, just a little bit though. Did you use something new?
I think like I've just been wearing a lot of makeup this week.
Oh, well, it's just a little bit. It's like perfect.
It's still annoying.
Yeah, but it's like not. We're gonna get started, and we're gonna start with some vibration therapy and just really get you lifted, and then we're gonna go in with the peel. First, I'm gonna cleanse Sara's skin, and then I'm gonna go in with my sculpting wand, which is vibration therapy, and that's just gonna tone, tighten, lift, and contour her face. And after that, I'm going to make a custom mask to bring down any inflammation and calm the skin, as well as hydrate it. Then I will use the Oxygen Dome. It can help with inflammation. It can help to speed up healing right after extractions. It helps to regenerate your cells, so it's just really something great to have. And then followed by microcurrent, my favorite LED light therapy. Okay, Sara, you're all done and gorgeous and glowing.
My skin feels so amazing. Like, just so hydrated. I haven't looked at myself, but I feel like
You look really
glowing.
good. Wait until you see yourself. You look really good.
So what do I need to know about aftercare?
So tonight you're just gonna cleanse and moisturize, and I'm gonna give you some sulfur masks that I want you to put in the little areas where I think you might have dermatitis.
Okay.
But past that, you can start everything that you've been doing tomorrow, depending on how this goes.
Okay.
We'll discuss, because I'll of course check on you tomorrow.
So if other people want to come in and experience this signature facial, where can they find you? How much would it cost?
They can book at booking@shanidarden.com, and they can see the other girls. I have 3 other amazing estheticians here, and they start, it's like $500 and up, depending on what you're getting done, but they're amazing. I am not seeing new clients, but they have all been trained by me.
Amazing. So how many times will I have to come in to see you to achieve like my dream skin, to see like ultimate results?
Well, you see results after having one facial. Like, you look amazing, and it really just depends on if someone's breaking out, but you want to get on a schedule. Like for you, I would say every 5 to 6 weeks would be perfect. You have pretty amazing skin, so that would be the best routine for you.
For the maintenance of it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much,
You're so
Shani.
welcome.
This was
So- I love
amazing.
you.
So special. Thank you. I feel amazing. My skin feels so nice and healthy and hydrated. And she really helped with some of the areas where I guess I was experiencing dermatitis. So I feel really good about that. So I was expecting a really relaxing facial, and it was very relaxing. She told me that I had some dermatitis too, which I didn't know about. I also had a little bit of a breakout in the forehead, so it was a very thorough and informative facial. I love working with Shani because she's so much fun, she's hilarious, but she's also like just such a great teacher. I learned so much about my skin, so much about the products and the treatments that she does. So it was really, really awesome. I just enjoyed every minute. My skin feels amazing and it looks really nice right now, but I'm curious what it's gonna look like in a week.
It has been a week since I got my facial with Shani, and we're checking in on my skin, and honestly, it feels so healthy and hydrated. I don't know if you can tell, but it looks really nice and glowy too. I had some redness in my cheeks, which have now gone away. I had a little perioral dermatitis around my mouth, which has also gone away, so I'm really happy. Thank you, Shani.
To watch more videos like this, subscribe here.